fantastic in-town location tucked away on a very private cul-de-sac close to Animas City Trailhead. Large windows throughout let in lots of light and views of Ridges and Chapman Hill. Home is south-facing with a well-treed front yard allowing for amazing passive solar, sunny in the winter and shaded in the summer, all well as adding privacy. Enjoy the lovely landscaping from the decks. Sprinkler system makes it low maintenance. Formal dining, living room has wood stove and vaulted ceilings, kitchen open to breakfast nook and family room. Office. Master suite has nice walk-in closet, tub and shower, private deck, built-ins. Lowest level has fantastic work/craft shop area, storage, non-conforming room that could be guest quarters, immaculate two-car garage with storage and workbench. This home is immaculately maintained. Furnace, gas hot water heater, water softener all recently replaced. Appliances are only a few years old. Radon mitigation in crawl space. Beautiful private backyard.